guys, a very good morning to all of you, and today in this video I'm going to share a quick recipe, breakfast recipe. So yeah, and let's get started. Before that, let me show you something. Yeah, look at this. So he's so cute, super cute. All you need is a Nutty Delight healthy breakfast cereal, that is oats, peanut butter, cinnamon powder, a tablespoon of chia seeds, an empty bottle, an empty glass bottle, and half glass of milk. Take a half bowl of oats, then transfer into a glass container. Then take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and then you need 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Mix them properly. Then add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I am using crunchy peanut butter. Take a half glass of milk and then pour it into the container. Then mix them well. Cover it and refrigerate it for half an hour if you want it in a chilled condition. Otherwise, if you're someone who doesn't like to have a chilled food, then just leave it for half an hour to 1 hour at room temperature, and then you just grab it and then all set to go. Hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, do share with your friends, family members, relatives, next door people, neighbors, and also if you have any suggestions or inputs, do share them in the comment sections below. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. See you all in my upcoming videos. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy and be happy. Bye bye.